Çattılar. Heyna 3. Round complete on 2. So what? Even though it's not even that cold out anymore. I know. It's just nice to have it. Pull up! Pick up the ring! Hey! Fire! Fire! 3, fire! Left foot! Up and right! Fire! Go on, bounce! Fire! Fire! 3? Yeah. Not, I mean, just a little bit. You're up. You got it. Contact.
Is that a lost, is it the lost target?
That's it. Fire when ready. Yes. 5, 4. Load the fucking rocket. Gun 3 only. Rocket. Okay. You got one of them selfie sticks.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Start walking back with it.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Which I doubt they are. See that second one?
Yeah.
Alright, that'll be your target. Go ahead and range it. Alright.
Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, about 2100 meters. You should need.
Toe the wire.
Toe the wire!
See? 3300.
3-3.
It's pretty good scenario if you think about it in real life. Wait, stop on.
Let's go.
Give your gun.
1108! 1108!
Yes, go. Go. It's a fire for effect.
Hey, you got 2!
Fire! Here's the second one. There we go. That one's already been pulled.
How many's left, Sherman? Move! Two volleys, and again, your last for 2 actual. 6, this is 5.
That tree's right in front of you.
They're shooting back at you! You missed! He's still active! Shoot back at you! Sure, take him out! There you go! Alright, hey, those guys are dead! Those guys are dead! There you go. Keep a good sustained rate on those guys. Pull the charging hands to the rear, push it forward, observe for feeding.
Hey, Lane.
Are we loading?
You guys can load and make ready.
So hold high on that one. So you want a little low.
Yeah.
One to the left, right? No, it's the one to the right here. Not the one up against the fence, but the one. Which one are you shooting at, boy?
Next burst you shoot. Right. Right about a middle.
5, 4, 3. I shot out 2 birds. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2.
You're low, bring it up. Bring up a mill.
Please.
Zachary Lane, Z-A-C-H-A-R-Y-L-A-Y-N-E.
Rank?
Lance Corporal.
And what unit are you with?
I'm with Alpha Fast,
Fast. Where's that from?
stationed in Norfolk, Virginia. Feels really great. Normally, fast platoons operate in small scale, just a platoon level. And to be able to come out and operate with other units as well as foreign militaries, it's a great experience. We get to learn more about their culture and more about how their military operates.
Yell at me, see if the camera will pick it up, okay? Gunner. Gunner. Heat. PC.
Identify. 880.
Fire. Ceasefire.